Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 2.3, question number 2. If the product of two whole numbers is 0, we can say that one or both of them will be 0. Justify through example. Whole number, we know that whole number starts from 0, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Right? Now, if we multiply 0 with 0, we are getting 0. Right? 0 into 1 is also 0. 0 into 2 is equal to 0. 0 into 3 is equal to 0. Now you see the question is, if the product of two whole number is 0, here you see the product of two whole number is 0 in all cases, right? We can say that one of them or both of them will be 0. Here you see the first one, both are 0 and we are getting 0, right? And another one is both of them will be 0 or one of them. There are two numbers, 0 and 1. If one of them is 0, then the answer is also 0. 0 into 2, that is one number is 0, therefore the answer is 0. Here 0 into 3, one number is 0, therefore answer is 0. That means we can say that either both the numbers should be 0 or one of them should be 0, so that we are getting the answer 0. Suppose 0 into 100, that also comes to 0, right? That means we can say that one or both of them would be 0. We have given the examples here also. That means we can say that if the product of, we can say that if, it is right, if the product of two whole numbers is 0, whole numbers is 0, we can say that one or both of them one or both of them will be 0. Will be 0. This is the solution of question number 2.